thought I'd end up with, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about breaking, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And for Pete, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me pain. I'm so amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. Look what I got, look what you taught me, and for that I say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends. Not worried about nothing, 'cause I met someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say move on too fast, gonna make that shit last, 'cause her name is Reinna. I'm so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Now that shit's amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. Look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, 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 thank you. Next. One day I walked down the aisle, holding hands with my mama. I'd be thanking my dad, 'cause she grew from the drama. Only wanna do that shit once real bad, that shit's gonna last. God forbid something happens, at least the song is a smash. Got so much love, I've got so much patience. I've learned from the pain, now it turned out amazing. Loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I found, look what you taught me, and for that I say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, Chee! Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, Chee! Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, Chee! Hey everybody, this is Reinna, and ang tagal ko na wala. It's almost a month, I think. So, buti na lang talaga na isingit kong mag-record ng video na to. I know I promised you guys the bandana challenge. I promised you guys the makeup tutorial and a song cover. But, hindi ko din alam kung bakit ito yung bigla akong naisip. I don't know. Maybe because this song has been stuck in my head for days now, and I've been playing this for weeks. Really, guys. Ganun ako ka-addict sa kantang to. I don't know why. Maybe because I am relating to it too much. Maybe because it is my anthem. I don't know. And I think I owe you an explanation of why I am not that consistent with uploading contents on my YouTube channel. Do you care? Kalang bayo, parang feeling famous. So, I haven't been uploading here on my YouTube channel for weeks, even on my IG account for weeks now. Since I've been busy with my job, I'm going to the gym 4 times a week. Yeah, 4 times a week. Math. And lagi ako nasa galaan this past few months. Yeah, I spent so much time with my friends. Told you, this song is my anthem. And yeah, that's why I'm not really active here. So I really do hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to hit like and click subscribe on my channel so you will get notified whenever I upload new videos, lalo na ngayon. Yeah, alam niyo naman yung kalagayan ko ngayon. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!